It is with great honor and privilege to give an inspirational message to this batch of Grade 10 2023 completers. We are gathered here today to celebrate your success and remarkable tenacity you displayed throughout your academic career. You have been resilient enough in taking an obstacle head-on, and you've shown your ability to persevere despite of the different adversities that comes your way. Today's commencement exercises theme is just right you to ponder. You have been molded through a resilient educational condition. You have successfully completed your junior high school years and will be heading to the next step of your educational journey, which is your senior high school. I hope and pray that as you travel to the road of your educational journey, you will not depart from the where you meant to be. Have faith that everything has been happening to you or will be happening to you in the future. It is in line with God's way of seeing to you that this is your journey. You have trust Him in those journeys because everything would be possible with God in your way, lighting your path and holding your hands. The road to your educational journey may become bumpy sometimes. There are failures, mistakes, incompleteness, and many negativities that may loosen your firm to hold of hope. Know that in every moment in your journey, there are ups and downs. But in any negative event that may happen, always optimistic. Think of brighter side in everything that is happening. Ingon pa ang usa ka business tycoon, I'm not sure of si Jack Ma ba. Ingon siya nga,